All right. My second time doing this because I'm bad at algebra. But hopefully I'll get it right this time. So we basically have a system of equations here, according to your thing. Seems like you're struggling with how to solve it, basically. If you do end up taking linear algebra, which you may not need since that's a lot of data computation and whatnot, uh, it's basically a faster way and patterns in these sort of like linear equations with multiple variables. Um, but for starters, we can start by solving the one with the fewest variables, aka this third equation down here. To isolate a, we can just divide both by 2. Whoa. -2, I should say. A is equal to 1/2, since the negatives cancel out. Great. Now we should solve for b. So for this one up here, we can plug in 2 times 1/2 plus b plus 2c is equal to 7. The 2 and the -2 cancel out, so we just get 1. Or the 2 and the 2 on the denominator cancel out and we just get 1. So we can subtract that 1 with the 7 on the other side to get b plus 2c is equal to 6. We can subtract the 2c from the left side to get b is equal to 6 minus 2c. Now we can plug this into the third equation, or the second equation, and thus isolating c, since b is no longer a variable and a is already solved for. We get 3 times 1/2 plus 2 times 6 minus 2c minus c is equal to 5. 3 times 1/2 is 3/2 plus 2 times 6, 12, minus 2 times 2c, which is 4c, minus c is 5, which equals 5. We can do the whole, we can subtract the whole number first, so that whole thing minus 12 is -7. 5 minus 12 is -7. But we can also put the 2 over it. So what is 7 in the equivalent of blank over 2? It would be 14. So we can do -14/2. So 3/2 minus 4c minus c is 5c equals -14/2. We can add 5c to both sides and add 14/2 to both sides to get 17/2 is equal to 5c, and c is equal to 17/10. Since 2 times 5, or when you divide the 5 goes to the bottom, and 2 times 5 is 10. So we can put that over here. And all we have to do is solve for b. How do we solve for b? Well, we've already solved it up here. So we can just plug in c back into the equation, see what hops out. b is equal to 6 minus 2 times 17/10. b equals, let's see here. This 2 and this 10 will cancel out, so we can put a 1 here, and this becomes a 5. So we can put the 6 in terms of 5. So 6/1 equals x over 5. Cross multiplying, we get 30. So 30/5 minus 17/5. b equals 30 minus 17/5, since you can combine the fractions. Thus, b is equal to 13/5. So now we have all 3 of our variables. And now all we have to do is the integration part. Let's see. Oh, it just tells you to insert the variables in. So yeah, same numbers, put them in for the next one. And the integration part looks like you got it. Instead of the 3 and the 1/2, just put 13 over 5 and 17 over 10, and you should be okay. Hope this helps.